In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can finish the Manipulator quest here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, find a teleporter on the map, interact with it just like so, and you need to go ahead and make your way over to Hollow Island. This is where the manipulator is, and I somehow just spawned underneath the ground. But make your way to the very back of the island. You're going to see the manipulator NPC right here. Go ahead and interact with this guy, and he's going to give you all of the quests. Now, these quests actually are not that bad. The first thing that you need to do is just deal 750 million damage. The best way to go ahead and do this quick is actually on Boss Island, or really anywhere you can just consistently go ahead and farm NPCs. So for example, I either go to Boss Island and just go ahead and do them through there, or what you can also do is go to any location where the NPCs have a lot of high health, like Lawless Island, for example. Make your way over to, the back where those NPCs spawn in, and essentially just farm these guys over and over and over again. Look, we're almost halfway there already. Now the next quest is defeating 10 players. This is going to be PvP. This honestly is not too bad either. Just go ahead and hop in a public server, run around and take some people out. That quest is not too difficult overall. You're also going to have to defeat some NPCs as well, so go ahead and defeat those NPCs. I believe it's about 250 of them after that. And by far the hardest part is going to be getting the Shinigami race. This part is extremely difficult. To do that, you also need to go ahead and just use your race rerolls over and over in your inventory. If you scroll down, you'll find them on there. And essentially just keep rolling until you get the Shinigami race. But then from there, you've completed all of it and you move on to the mastery as well. But that's going to be the full process right there. If you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.